Hello everyone! Today on Adventures in Hidden Realms, we will be doing some of our road trip in Monroe County's most beautiful and mysterious spots. We're so happy that you joined us, and I hope that you'll follow and like and subscribe. That way you can see all of our awesome content.
That's my alarm, you know what that means. It's 7 a.m.
Is that you?
Yeah, it's me. It's time to go. Taking the walk to the bathroom in the morning. We gotta get some coffee in her. House shoes.
Think about outside house shoes.
Picked up the pizza slice for a midnight snack. Nothing left inside. Yeah.
Holy crap, speaking of abilities here, I'm gonna go get this ready.
Whoa.
Did we get all of our little things?
This is Rachel in a bad mood because she hasn't had her coffee yet.
Soda.
Oh shit!
Hello, followers, and hopefully future followers. We are on the road. We're leaving the campsite. As you can see, I am a little less grumpy now. I still need soda, so working on it. Our windows are a little dirty. Sorry about that. A little dirty. The leaves are absolutely stunning right now.
About to do that turn. We left the camp to head for Bald River Falls so that we could experience it during the daytime.
And it was beautiful.
You want to go down? All right. Bald River Falls is one of the prettiest spots in the Smokies, and honestly, it's one of the easiest to get to, which makes it feel almost too good to be true. But like most places around here, there's a few stories the locals whisper about. Some say if you come out here late at night, you'll hear voices echoing over the water, like the falls are talking back. Others swear they've seen figures moving behind the mist. Personally, I just think it's one of those places where the lines between peaceful and eerie gets kind of blurry. Either way, it's worth the stop. I'm a level with you, babe. This is the kind of place that you would see a Bigfoot. I can totally believe that.
Look, right that close to me. Look, babe. You know what it looks like that?
What?
The water usually comes all the way up, and so as the water hits it, it's like making those indentations into the rocks.
That's really interesting, actually.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone. The leaves, they get a little flickering.
It keeps getting steeper.
Yeah, exactly.
Almost up. We're making it. Oh, this is treacherous. You good, babe? We're a lot higher than we were a second ago.
This is treacherous. Be careful.
Thank you. Wow, this is crazy.
Careful, Booch.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's my Disneyland.
This is your Disneyland.
Let's do one person at a time on the bridge.
Fair enough. I'm sorry.
It's what we say. Come on. Let's go. Look at all them wipers. Wow, that's a lot of them. It's not, but
What's not?
the one's down there trying to take a picture of it. That's where we were, down there. We're here with pictures right now.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
It is cool to get pictures up here, though, because not many people can do this height.
Wow, babe. This is gorgeous. Come here.
This is my spot.
This is your spot? This is a pretty good spot. I'm loving the peacefulness of this. Away from the falls and the people. See, if we were on Ark right now, this is exactly where I'd want to build my house because I like waterfalls, but I don't like the constant noise. What?
It's very mushy, though. You'd have to build it up there.
Oh, I'd build it up there. What's this? Is there chalk for us to write?
I see babies.
I see. Please call for a good time, please. It's lonely out here, Bigfoot.
Oh my gosh. We can go this way. That one's very overgrown. Look how steep it is. Look at this. The old pipe.
Oh, wow.
And then you've got this rock thing. Like this, like, cylinder square box with a tree coming over it. Doesn't this kind of look a little bit like a burial thing?
Yep.
And it goes over up there.
You know what? I don't know exactly what it is. That's person size, though. That's where we go? What's that?
That's the river.
Well, then I'll follow you. Here, you want me to go up and help you up? Let me get up around you. Not. You're a big, strong woman.
Look at all the bark that fell off the tree. Welcome to the Kissing Rock, which I never came to.
The Kissing Rock, huh?
Oh no. I want it to be though.
There's a first time for everything.
Okay, Miss Long Legs.
Yeah.
What'd that be?
What? The thing in the tree?
Is that a balloon?
It's some sort of balloon or something, yeah.
Stop releasing balloons.
Alright, you want to do a voice recording real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
Hello. My name is Rachel. It's my husband Nick. We're just asking if there's any spirits here to just say hello. I don't know if I heard you. Can you say it again? Hello. My name is Rachel. It's my husband Nick. We're just asking if there's any spirits here to just say hello. I don't know if I heard you. Can you say it again?
I don't hear anything.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing.
All right.
Well, maybe. The legends are just that.
There's
Legends.
a waterfall kind of effect right there.
Oh yeah, no, I'm done. I'm hungry. You want to go get some food? There's something about places like this that just makes you lose track of time. But eventually you get hungry, and it brings you back to reality. Time to see what kind of food we can dig up around here. Oh, babe, are you okay?
Yeah, if you want, there's a short little walk. Short little one.
We can take a look at it. Smell that?
Oh, it smells like.
I want to go back.
It's just that I think.
I'm losing my appetite.
Oh, I bet it's horse food.
It is. Why are these horses abandoned?
They're not. They're chained up on the side. There's paths you can take.
Are the Amish just taking a dip?
No, but I think you can also rent that stuff. You just gotta know how to take care of all of it.
What, I just hop on an app and rent a horse?
I don't think it works like that. I think you have to talk to someone about it.
Oh.
I think you have a rider or a guide that goes with you. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not a little bad. But we're just going right over here.
That's crazy. What the heck?
That's how they did it in the old days. Oh. I almost fell down that. That's why I have major anxiety when I'm falling backwards and I have like a panic attack afterwards.
Oh yeah, fair.
Because I
Fair.
fell there.
I would too.
But you can jump from there.
Oh, no, there really is honest people down there. There really is honest people. There really is. Babe.
That's how they did it in the olden days. They must have heard that. They used to.
That's crazy.
What's that song from Brother World? Oh! Oh! Smell like dookie out there. You smell bad.
Look at this view. This is the Cherahalla Skyway. Now this is where people report strange lights, UFOs, and things like that. All throughout history, honestly. You ready?
Hey everyone.
If you like this view, you can subscribe and follow and do all those things. And I'm just making hand motions because I'm not going to edit in any crazy effects or anything like that because I just don't have that kind of time. But
Alright, now I am. You not hear it?
yeah, I hear it. They dropping mad beats up there. Really?
Yeah, it was like clapping and stuff, and it was like flying all erotic
That's awesome.
or crazy or whatever.
Now that's a view.
Look at that really unique tree coming out.
Right? Stay unique, friend.
Some trees don't even get recognized because they're not as unique as that one.
That's true.
So the moral of the story is be like the tree that stands out.
So we are here at the entrance of the Cherahalla Skyway. This is where we tried to come yesterday and everything was closed because we got to town too late. And so we came back today and there is currently a No Kings protest happening right here in town.
The flag is cut up.
Oh my gosh.
But I wanted to go in there, but I really nice guy. That was really nice. I like the
Well, after you. Come on out. No problem. Look, sticks.
Look at his hat.
Oh, those are really
I
nice.
like it. Like that one. Look at this multicolored one. That's so you. How much is it?
$15.99.
That's not too bad.
It's not bad. Arrowheads.
Cultural stuff. These are old things that are pressed out. Look, hidden rivers.
That's awesome.
It's really cool. Oh,
Yep.
that's crazy. It's really scary.
Right. I think I have service now. I do. I'm getting stuff now. I like that. What?
I want one. It's a rainbow salmon.
Those definitely are free.
That's still really cool.
It is really cool.
I think this would still work from where we're at. Over there too. It has all the ducks too. Let's see if it has a price on it. $8.95.
It's not bad.
The night sky, babe. Look.
Oh, that's awesome.
And these are waterproof. That's really cool.
Right.
We could always bring them with us. Oh, look, babe.
Wow. That is really cool.
Class 7. It explains all the classes of the darkness. That's really cool.
That is crazy.
The peppermint sticks. This is what you suck on to get some acid or some relief.
For your
Bloating.
bloating.
Peanut butter.
That's pretty cool.
The coffee's really not that bad.
No, it's not.
Neither are the peppermints.
You want both?
You got a lot of greens and candy.
Alright, fair.
Look at this. It's art someone made with rocks.
That's cool.
I like this one. And they have sayings.
Oh, that's beautiful.
There's a stargazing one.
That's
I
so
really
cool.
like the stargazing one actually.
That is really cool.
Oh, my aunt loved these. They're one shots.
Yeah.
Wow, these are cool. Ooh, this is the kind of cutting boards you see on those really good bushcraft cooking.
Oh, where they're making the meat by the stream.
Yeah.
That is exactly what you see.
We need some of that.
Yeah, we do.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm good to go. We can go ahead and pay for your thing.
We can put it all around the yard.
That is cool.
Look at these.
These aren't bad, man.
Do you hear them?
Yeah, they have a chant. What? Wow. This
I've
is
never
nuts.
been here.
I've never seen anything like this. This is awesome. What the heck?
Come to areas where they smell food.
This is crazy.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Bluegrass Music Hall of Fame came from him.
Human and bear populations are increasing, creating possible dangerous situations for humans.
Article in the back, like Smokey the Bear, that's like when he first came out.
Wow.
Look at the fire book.
That's nuts.
And
A
then like the
habituated bear
handbook.
becomes a nuisance bears that return repeatedly for human rewards.
They made that out of a turtle shell.
That's crazy.
Sage, the mixing bowl. These are all things that they use though in Native American culture.
Right. We can take a free bear fact handout.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem. And there's your receipt. Y'all have a great day.
Appreciate it. You too. Oh man. It's probably not that big in the scheme. Yeah. Continuing on our adventure, we're gonna go over to this gift shop. Yeah, we can go put it in the car.
I do want to take the taffy. You want some taffy?
Yeah, I do. No, I don't like taffy. I don't know why.
Like a small bite.
No, I'll take one of those peppermints. I don't like taffy.
You want to take a teeny tiny bite?
Babe, I hate taffy.
Gotcha. Maybe you didn't like that kind.
Give me the taffy. Watch. Yep, I hate that.
Oh, that has hot cinnamon in it.
You ready to see what this museum's all about, babe?
Yeah.
Look at this lady over here. Yeah.
Kind of bumps.
You guys coming out? No problem. That is awesome.
That.
Right?
It's really cool. The museum part of base right there. Oh, we have a spinning hammer. They have magnets here too. I think we got one last time. I think it was the one I believe. Look, lucky horseshoe. Really cool. Look at this.
That is hilarious. Do you want to see what this is?
We can just go in, right?
It says you can go in and you just shop here. That's what keeps the museum open.
I don't think you can go in this way. Do we sign in right there?
We can. There's no pen though.
No, there's not.
Look at this. America. Babe, this is a bazooka.
Something so.
I didn't know that.
Look, babe. This is the one I told you I shot. I couldn't explain it, but that's what it looks like.
You fired a blunderbuss? Living that pirate
It's
life.
crazy.
Captain Rachel.
I also got to shoot something like this too.
Are you serious?
Yeah. This guy had a whole collection.
Are you Captain Jack Sparrow?
That's crazy.
Grenades.
I also shot one of these before.
Winchester? That more sense than the flintlock pistol.
Well, they were like, he had a whole collection of rare, unique stuff. I knew someone that had one of these.
I'm gonna level with you, babe. This museum is just a whole lot of guns. That is crazy. That is really wild. The gun from Fortnite.
That's the one I shot. It's really cool because of the way you have to load
A
it.
bolt action World War II rifle.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I
That's
got
some of that zombie stuff.
Oh, and I've seen one of these up close too. It has the thing on it.
With the bayonet.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, look, we have some stuff that's not guns in there.
Yeah.
Hidden behind the guns, but...
Well, there's also the war jackets and everything. And then there's all these radios and like a little tiny TV looking thing. That's where they like stuff on the screen.
I don't even know what you read on that screen. Yeah, Fallout monitor. I'm about to play that when I get home. I installed it because I saw that you did.
This was banks.
Wow, these are deposit boxes.
Yeah.
This is where you'd hide your...
That's crazy. I don't want to take it out. Oh my gosh. Can you even do that? That's crazy.
The banker.
Old bills? Come see him for yourself. Tellico Plains. The war book.
Whoa, what?
Look at all these $2 bills.
Confederate money.
Yeah. Crazy.
What the heck?
Look here too. Look at all these coins.
What is that thing? A super penny. It's worth 0.5. Oh, look at these cameras.
Oh, I have like one like this under the house. I want one of these though. Look how cool that thing is.
The heck are we gonna take pictures of that? We're gonna get pictures of Bigfoot with that. Ghosts. Yeah. We've come a long way.
Look at this thing.
That is crazy.
What is that? Some metal radio.
Case radio.
That's crazy.
Kent Atwater Kent metal case radio.
These were the radios they had in their house so that they could, before TVs, there was radios. They were a big deal. You got your record player in it.
This thing could burn your whole house down. Like, terrifying. Look at all those transistors inside of that thing.
That was the bank.
Wow.
Look at all this stuff about. These are really cool. So, look at these. Make giggles.
That's crazy.
I know some people that used to have some of these. I have an old Coke bottle that I could bring in. It's a grandma special one.
Really?
Yeah, I wanted. Yeah, that's right.
Typewriters.
Those are shot puts.
Wow. They are cool. Imagine what a pain it was to type on
More
that.
radios. Look at those knives.
That is pretty cool.
There's something written on
It's not in our language.
it. Well, I'll take a picture so we can look it up later.
Do that.
These were pens.
Wow.
These are cool looking things.
That's what they're typing on at Gringotts and Harry Potter.
There's some pictures. They're cool. Look at this.
Wow.
All the people in the town. They're just regular people.
Wow.
And I wonder if one day someone will see our pictures in a museum.
Well, you're already in the newspaper.
That is true. I was in the
You're
news.
on your way.
This picture is haunting.
What?
Look at this haunting picture.
Yo, that is creepy.
Look at these toys.
Wow.
Do you know what this stuff's for?
Taxidermy.
How do you know that? Actually, it's not.
It's for leather working.
It's for saddle making tools.
Oh, look at you, Miss Smarty Pants.
I on a farm bed.
Fair enough. Look at that.
In the area, actually.
You did work at a farm in the area.
Look at this guy.
Record players.
He's taxidermy.
Yeah, it's taxidermy. Sorry, dude.
But the thing about that is they write that the world destroys the wildlife. Maybe all I have left is that.
Deep messages from Rachel. More guns? We did. It was guns.
Yeah, that's really cool. Did you look at it?
Oh, now these are the peace pipes.
Look at this and this.
This is the good stuff.
Stop it. Look at this.
That is
Get a
cool.
good-
That's crazy looking.
Hey, look at this one.
Whoa, what the heck? Look at this guy.
Look, babe, it's a rock with a fossil in it.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's super cool.
And so when your love becomes a memory, let their memory become a treasure. That's really pretty.
Oh, man.
Love you. Do you want
Epstein files. He's gotta go!